We are here with Suayp. We're learning some techniques. Let's see how it's gonna work out. We will find out the results by end of the week.
Exactly. Thank you, my guru.
Kazakhstan, G-Wagons, more developed than Cyprus for sure. And we're gonna take a tour now with the metro to experience the local transportation. Anything else you wanna say, Suayp?
We are going to explore everything here, not just metros.
Which way we go? I think it's the next town. That's the Del Papa.
What about compliments?
What do you mean?